Hello everyone, it's Teacher Collins from High Owl Star. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about new parts of animals. Ears, ears, nose, nose, tail, tail, head, head, wings, wings, and beak, beak. It's got ears. It's got ears. It's got a nose. It's got a nose. It's got a tail. It's got a tail. It's got a head. It's got a head. It's got wings. It's got wings. It's got a beak. It's got a beak. In today's lesson, we learned about ears, nose, tail, head, wings, and beak. Do you remember the parts of these animals? If not, you can go back in the video and watch again. That's it for today's lesson. I'll see you guys next time.